Let's make matcha. Okay guys, I feel like I have finally mastered my matcha after making for like 5 days straight. So, konti na lang siya. Okay, so I have here my mini matcha station. Look, so cute. Okay, now let's start. Let's prep our whisk first. Weighing scale, my pretty bowl. Grabe guys, sobrang na-addict na ako. Once you start talaga, you can never stop na. I usually do 2 teaspoons. So this is 2 grams already. Then it's 4 grams. Then we're gonna sift it. There. And I'm still doing the paste method, so I'm gonna add 10 ml of water. And now we're gonna whisk it. This is how it looks like. It's so green. Now next, 40 ml of water. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. Ooh. Hindi siya ganun ka frothier because yun lang kaya ng aking arms. But it's the best I can do. And look, oh my gosh guys. Like sobrang... And look you guys, I finally have outside. Oh my gosh, sobrang hirap niyang hanapin. Thanks to my wonderful mommy. Hindi muna ako naglalagay ng ice kasi gusto kong i-mix muna yung milk and sweetener kasi tumitigas yung sweetener. And I usually pour 175. And the sweetener that I'm using is actually honey lang. Kasi wala akong mahanap na agave. Ang hirap niya ring hanapin. I usually put 10 ml. And I mix it using my straw. And look at my straw, guys. It's like the one in Chaji. Yung tatlo yung malilit na butas. And I use this because ang bilis ko uminom kapag yung regular straw. So this is what I'm using. Para, ano mo yun, paunti-unti. Finally put ice. Now let's pour the matcha. Tada! It's not yet perfect, but I'm getting there. Right, guys? You know, small steps to perfection. Taste test. So good. Kaya siya nakaka-addict eh, guys. Cheers! Ah!